Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can claim your collection reward in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. After you increase your collection in Heartopia, you will get reward, and it can be the gold, or it can be ticket, or anything else. So basically, after you increase your collection, such as your furniture or your food or plants or anything, it will be added to your collection, and then you need to open this watch menu and then select the collection right here, and you can choose one of them. For example, I'm going to select this menu, gourmet life. Okay, and as you can see guys, I got gold and also this ticket, the hobby ticket, and tap on that, and then you will get your reward. And I'm going to go back, and then I'm going to open the bird watching diary. So if you see this gift symbol, it means that there's something you need to claim. I'm going to open the bird watching diary and claim the reward. Alright. Okay guys, and that's how you can claim the collection reward in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.